In this video, I'll show you how to easily remove hard stains inside the toilet bowl without any scrubbing. We only need toilet paper, vinegar, and gloves. Let's pour some vinegar into the container. Take a piece of toilet paper and dip it slightly into the vinegar. This wet toilet paper can easily stick to the toilet's porcelain. Let's stick it on top of the stains. We want to repeat this until all stained surfaces are covered. Now we just let it sit for a few hours. It is time to remove the toilet papers and throw them out into the garbage. It is amazing how the ugly stains are peeled off so easily and without much effort. All we need to do next is to brush off or wipe off affected surfaces. And we are done.